Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the seventh question in exercise 7.1. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistance from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. So let's first note just the points. The points given are given to be 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. In most cases of questions in coordinate geometry, it is always better to draw a rough diagram to see what is actually given to us. I'm marking these 2 points as A and B. So let's understand first what is given to us. There are 2 points A and B. We are supposed to find a point that is sitting in x-axis, which is an equal distance to these 2 points. So I'm just marking some place in x-axis like this, and the distance between these 2 points A, and let's mark this point as P. So AP should be equal to PB. This is what is given to us. And since any point in the x-axis will be of the format x, 0, I'm just marking that also here directly. So let's write that in English. From exam perspective, please draw this diagram, or you just write in English that let P x, 0 be a point in x-axis equidistant to both the points A and B. Either you do that, or the easiest way is just to draw a diagram and show to them that this is what you have marked it. So since I've just marked, let's start with the solution. So what is needed for us, or what is given to us, is PA is equal to PB. Since this is given to us, I'm also going to assume that PA squared is going to be equal to PB squared, because PA is given to be PB equal to PB. This implies PA squared is equal to PB squared. Why we are doing is this: I don't want to handle roots when we are going to compute these values. So we have simply taken away the roots in the formula. Now once for the exam perspective, write the distance formula. So it is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. All of this is sitting inside the root. So this is the distance formula. So let's start using it without the square root, because we have squared our values. So what is PA square? It is going to be x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus of minus 5 is plus 5 the whole square. On the right side, this is equal to x plus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 9 the whole square. Now, this side, this is a minus b the whole square. Let's expand. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This is simply 5 squared or 25. In this right side also, this is a plus b the whole square. Expand. So x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 9 the whole square is still plus 81. Now let's strike out the common terms. So in this case, x square vanishes, plus 4 and plus 4 will vanish. Let's reorganize the remaining terms. So minus 4x, I'm bringing this plus 4x this side. So this is minus 4x is equal to 81 minus, I'm bringing this 25 the other side. So which is minus 25. So this means minus 8x is equal to 56. So x is going to be equal to minus 7. So the point that is equidistant from both A and B, so this is P is going to be minus 7, 0. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 8th question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.